This is a poem I wrote after Hurricane Katrina. It's called We Expectantly Await the Return of Our Birds. Not many are bigger than the mind. A drop of ocean spray swirled, and Katrina burped. The moon held still above the black remote sea. The sea has never and will never be tamed. It belongs to itself, and we to it. Oceanfront property, a jolly feast for the monster. The massive structures, sound, solid, sturdy, no match for the roaring, unstoppable surge. Burly, heart-ripping rapist, blurring memories, obliterating voices. For 12 hours the proud inheritors of Earth shivered in shelters and screamed in fear as their inheritance scattered beyond their meek kins, losing themselves and losing one another, lone hungry figures stepping carefully on ruined lands, vast dreams abandoned for a bite of bread or a cup of water. My family is starting its second century in Biloxi, a longer time for Simons than for the swirling seeds of time. The shade of massive oaks flits with our sea breeze hearts. We have cooked or thrown away the shrimp stored in our freezers. We have tarped our damaged roofs and raked our cluttered lawns. We have stared at the destruction and cried the tears of lost beauty. We are living our South Mississippi lives. We are hugging one another and smiling now and then. We appreciate your help as we sweat to help ourselves. Meanwhile, the gentle sea licks the trembled shore. The south wind blows the ocean into our souls. We expectantly await the return of our birds. Thank you.